Good morning, students. This is our second video of chapter 2, Pushkar. As we have read that both the travelers were on Pushkar Mela and they are describing it very beautifully. So to continue with that, we clicked a tourist perched awkwardly on a camel looking rather nervous. After eating the snacks, both the tourists get a tourist perch. Mainly we take the meaning of perch to take rest. So they took the rest for walking awkwardly on a camel. Even they were nervous. In front of the camel, a man lay near a sharp pile of long-handled pitchforks called a chutney. So the man lay near a sharp pile means dhir, of long-handled pitchforks type of fawda used to move hay. He had a mobile phone plastered to his ear. So it was amazing. The man had set phone to his ear in this mela for them because Pushkar bridges time and equipment with chokuni and mobile phone perfectly matched. Because according to the writer, Pushkar brings together unconnected the time and equipment with pitchforks and mobile phone perfectly matched, that it showed the old time and recent time equipment are working together still. We drifted through the crowd, cheered at camel races and tying competitions. So both the travelers were moved through the crowd aimlessly. They enjoyed the camel races, cheered at them, and turban tying competitions, and thrilled at the roaring tension of the well of death, where powerful bikes spun around the terrifying speeds. And they were also thrilled to see the roaring tension of the well of death, means मौत के कुएं के आसपास लोग जो खड़े थे और चीख रहे थे. They were thrilled with their noise and to see the powerful bikes which moved at terrifying speed in it. We delighted at children chortling as they tumbled out of an inflatable Mickey Mouse. And they were happy to see the children who seemed happy as they tumbled out of an inflatable means air-filled Mickey Mouse. A man with warrior mustache sat in a stall offering swords and shields of various shapes. So also a man was sitting there to sell his sword and shield with the mustache. We visited a tented stable which housed a superb white horse with pink ears. Then they went to a tented stable which provided a shelter to white horse with pink ears. Have you seen a horse with pink ear? Never, huh? A young Haryanvi farmer said that the beautiful animal was of Nokra breed and that it had originally been sold for 13 lakhs but was now priced at 51 lakh. A Haryanvi farmer told them that horse belonged to the Nokra breed and that it had been sold for 13 lakhs originally. Means at first attempt its cost was 13 lakh but now its price at 51 lakh. We strolled past women shopping for bangles while their lone male companion stood behind, frowning unhappily. They walked slowly along the women who were shopping the bangles and their male companions were behind them to give security, and they were looking angrily, unhappily on the people. Camels slurped water from a trough. Trough is means a type of vessel, and camels were drinking water from them, also making noise, dipping into their own reflections, and also they were actually dipping, they were lost in their own long reflections, as there was a time of sunset. It was only when we noticed the lengthening shadows that we realized that we had been here the whole day. Then they noticed that then they realized from the shadows that the whole day they spent in that mill. This is enough for today. Thank you.